Hello everyone. If you have a scrapped audio system at home, don't rush to throw away the speakers inside. You can add some parts to turn it into a high-power generator. If you like it, please like, collect, and forward it. Here is the production process. First, disassemble a speaker and then prepare a magnet. Put this magnet on the top of the speaker in the direction of the same level surface. We prepare some iron sheets here to serve as a place for the magnet. Use 3 iron sheets to support the magnet. And it's simple. Just put the other iron sheets on it. There is no requirement for the number of iron edges. After putting it on, you can wrap the cable around it and then use glue to reinforce it. For a speaker like this, we need to prepare 2 operating methods, and the operation methods are the same. After the 2 are prepared, we need to prepare a cable. The cable needs to be wrapped around these iron sheets. When the cable is wrapped, you can wrap it more. The more warps you wrap, the higher the voltage you can generate. Here, wrap the entire iron sheet with the cable, and then you just need to put some glue on the tail of the cable, and you also need to put some glue on the head. In this way, you can fix the entire cable. There's another one that is wrapped in the same way. Prepare an electric guide wire. Fix the head of the electric die wire first, and then wrap it up. Wrap 2 coils, and we just need to connect the lines in series or in parallel to increase the voltage or current. Then we need to prepare a rotor in the motor. This motor is removed from the compressor. We just need to take out the rotor of the motor inside, and then fix the rotor on the wooden board and set it to rotate. If it is not smooth, we can fix a 12-volt motor next to it. We need a bracket to fix this motor, so we can use a piece of wood instead, and then fix the motor bracket directly on the wood and fix the core on the rotor. In this way, our 12-volt motor can drive the rotor to rotate, and then we can take the prepared wire sticks and fix the 2 wire sticks on both sides of the wood board and fix them with hot melt glue. Next, we need to start connecting the lines. First, peel off a little bit of the wire skin of the 2 wire sticks, and then you can connect them together. The connection method here is to connect it in series, and then prepare a 12-volt to 220-volt transformer, and then connect the line on the wire stick to the input line of the transformer. The voltage of these 2 wire sticks is not very high, but we can use this transformer to convert it, and then directly connect the output line of the transformer to the working line of the socket strip, and connect the line. After that, we just need to take out a hose from the interface. Next, we can prepare some light bulbs to test it. We just need to plug the light bulb into a socket, and we can turn it on for testing. As long as this generator can drive the rotor to rotate, it can generate electricity. We will use a motor to drive it first. You can see that it can directly drive a string of light bulbs. If you're outdoors, you can use water or wind power to drive the rotor to rotate. The power of electricity is not low. Let's prepare another string of light bulbs to test it. You can see that 2 strings of light bulbs are driven. These 2 strings of light bulbs have 10 light bulbs. Then use a multimeter to test the voltage to see if it can reach 220 volts. You can see that the size fluctuation on the multimeter directly reaches more than 220 volts. If you like it, you can collect and repost it. This is the end of this video. See you next time.